Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran.
Queen of Dancehall Spice breaks her silence. After days of speculations regarding the health of the dancehall artist and denial from her team, Spice today took to Instagram where she updated fans on her condition. She shared that, quote, "I suffered a damaged hernia a few days ago that sent my body into sepsis. As a result, I rushed to hospital for immediate surgery," end quote. She went on to dismiss allegations about her having a heart attack, being in a coma, and even rumors of her death. Last evening, it was announced that Spice's upcoming show scheduled for later this month in Cayman was cancelled. In her lengthy post, Spice, who mentioned that she was still recovering, apologized to promoters and singled out her Cayman fans, adding that they will see her at a later date. Members of the entertainment fraternity, celebrities and fans were busy on social media sending prayers and well wishes to the DJ.
Sting, the greatest one-night dancehall and reggae show, is back after a long break. Last evening saw the relaunch of the event, which promises to provide a wonderful experience come December. E-Prime spoke to Sting's founder Isaiah Lang, and here's what he said.
We have about 45 acts on the show, and every one of them is having hit songs. All of them. As young as they might be, they are pulling huge crowd.
Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange was present at the show's relaunch and implored Jamaican artists to make cleaner music and stay dedicated to their culture.
They should protect the music. They should write positive lyrics. They should sing and DJ about positive things. They must show respect to women, and they must not promote violence and scamming. They can do it because they are talented.
Dancehall's new face, Valiant, graced the stage with a few words and a short performance for the audience. Valiant is one of the 45 artists confirmed for the lineup for this year's staging of Sting. Sting 2022 moves to Plantation Cove, Prairie St. Anne on December 26. Jamaican dancehall sensations Skilly Bang and Shenseea are both set to be featured on Afrobeat megastar Wizkid's upcoming album, More Love, Less Ego. Both stars are among a select number of special features on the project. This will be the second major Afrobeats collab for Skilly in recent times, after previously teaming up with Muramasa on their summer smash, Baby Why You Blessing Me. Skilly, who also recently released his 6-track I'll Never Die EP, is currently in the middle of his maiden world tour. Shenseea, on the other hand, is on her sophomore album, which is said to have a 2023 release date. Wizkid has already released 2 singles from the 13-track album titled Money and Love, with the accompanying music video, and Bad to Me. More Love, Less Ego is set to be released later this month. Now onto the international scene, where rappers Drake and 21 Savage are being sued by Vogue and its publisher after allegedly using fake Vogue covers in their album promo. Condé Nast filed the complaint in Manhattan federal court after the rappers used the trademark without permission. Condé Nast, also known as Advance Magazine Publishers, is seeking at least $4 million in damages, or triple the defendants' profits from their album and counterfeit magazine. It also wants punitive damages and an end to any trademark infringement. The social media posts, including the fake Vogue cover, have since been deleted from both Drake and 21 Savage's platforms. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.